Okay, so we are going to build a multiplexer, 4x1 multiplexer, sorry. First we need the AND gate, 4 of the AND gates. So we first put the one here, then we copy, paste, then drag it down. We do the same for the rest. After that, we need to get the OR gate. So we drag it here. Yes. Drag the OR gate. Its initial number of inputs is 5. But since we have 4 AND gates, we're going to change it to 4. So change it to 4. Nicely done. Then you connect each to the AND gates accordingly. So drag this one. Slowly make sure it's in line. Nice. Drag it. Then do the same for the second one. For the third one too, same, to make sure it's in line. Connect it. And finally the fourth one, make sure it's also in line perfectly. Then we drag it and connect it. Now we're going to change the input of each, the input of each of the AND gates is actually 5, so we're going to change it to 4. So this one, we're going to change it to 3 rather. And we change this one to tap on it, then change the one to 3. Same for this one. Tap on it. Tap on this one. Change to 3. For this one too, you do the same thing. Change this one to 3 too. Nicely done. So now we need NOT gates, 2 NOT gates. So the first one, we'll drag it down here. I think this place is okay. And second NOT gate, we'll drag it a bit. Yes. Now we need inputs for each of the NOT gates. So we drag down to right here, somewhere here. Yes. Connect another one. Connect. Make sure it's in line. And we also need one for each of the gates. The AND gates. So check to that it will fall in line perfectly. So I think this is okay. So then you drag it, make sure connect to the first part. Do the same for the second end gate too, perfectly in line. Yes, you drag it to make sure connects to the first part. Yes, continue for the third gate too. Sorry, the third end gate actually. Mm, you drag it nicely. Sorry, yes. Then we do the same for the last one too, the fourth final end gate. Mm, drag it and make sure it's connected. So far we've placed our end gates, the four end gates, the four output, the NOT gates, the two output each for the NOT gates, and our OR gates here. We need an output for the OR gates. Yes, very important. So we're going to drag it here and connect it. Sorry. Yes. Now we have our output for the OR gate. Now see this part, the fourth one, the fourth end gate. You connect the second part first NOT gate. Sorry. Yes. And drag this one to down here. Yes. Nicely done. Sorry. Drag it. Then the first. You move to the first end gate. Connect it. Yeah. For this one to connect it to the second one, not the first one actually. Yes. After we're done with that one, we move to the second end gate. Drag it down. Drag it down actually to the second line from the fourth gate, that which leads to the first NOT gate. Might be a little bit confusing, but if you pay attention carefully, I think it's going to be okay. Then you connect this one to directly to the third line, which leads to the second NOT gate from the first end gate. Then we move to the third end gate. So you drag the third end gate down. Sorry, wait for it. And then move it down to the line. Sorry, the third line from the last end gate, which is the fourth end gate, which leads to the second NOT gate. Nicely done. Then you drag this one, connect it actually. You just drag, you are connecting. So you connect it to the second line from the first end gate, which leads to the line between the output and the line between the output and gate. Yes. Now that you've connected everything, we are going to check. Sorry, we are going to check. So you simulate. We're going to check how it works. So simulation enabled. Let me check. See, so when we tap on this one, it gives no output. Same for this one too. Same for this one too. But for the fourth part, from from the fourth end gate, see, there's a connection, there's a response, there's an output actually. So we're going to make it 1 here, 1 0. See, which blocks the connection, but we get a response. Yes, I think we get a response from the third one. No response on the second one, from the third one. So let's try this. 1 1 here, 0. No response from the fourth. No response from the second. The third. I get a response from the second, and yes, just the second one. Yes, so that's basically how it works. So depending on how the inputs have been selected in the or not gates, they will show the response from the OR gates through the AND gates.